Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to wear contact lenses for the first time on camera. By seeing my glasses you can clearly understand I have high powered glasses and I have cylindrical and spherical both powers together. So when I go for regular eye checkup, the doctor told me that I cannot have contact lenses with this much power and with cylindrical and spherical both powers. And my dad also never wanted me to buy contact lenses because one of his friends has this cylindrical and spherical powers both, and he also tried wearing contact lenses and he said that he couldn't see properly or he was having some problem with those contact lenses. So my dad never wanted me to buy, but my sister bought me contact lenses. In this December I have my cousin's wedding. So when you are well dressed up with a different hairstyle and with a lot of makeup, you will definitely not like to wear spectacles with those attires. So my sister bought me these lenses. I will definitely tell you after wearing the lenses that whether I am having some problem or not. And if you are new in our channel, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to subscribe our dance channel Madly Rockers. And one more thing, many people ask me that whether I have some kind of problem while I shoot some dance videos without spectacles, and the answer is no, I don't have any kind of problem when I shoot some dance video because I am kind of used to it. I have spectacles from the time I was 5 years old, so I am used to it. I am used to dance without spectacles, so I don't have any kind of problem. So without extending it further, let's get started. The lenses come in this type of containers. These lenses are bought from local market and it costs 3000. I can wear it for 1 year. This is the solution in which we will keep the lenses, and this will also help us to wear the lenses. After opening the sealed container, we will store the lenses here. At first you have to take some solution on your hand, then put the lens on the solution which you have taken on your hand, and then move the lens in a circular motion for 2 to 3 times. Then slowly place the lens inside your eyes. তো আমি দুটো চোখেই লেন্স পরে নিয়েছি। আমারটা কালার লেন্স নয়, নর্মাল লেন্স, সেই জন্য জানি না ক্যামেরায় বোঝা যাচ্ছে না, আমি নিজেও বুঝতে পারছি না দেখে। তো চোখটা এখনো একটু কড়কড় করছে, লাইক আই এম ফিলিং সামথিং there is in my eyes, but it's okay, you can do anything to look good. When I'm moving my eyeballs like this and this way, I can feel something is moving inside my eyes. So for the first time I'm feeling this. I don't know what will happen when I'll be habituated with this. While removing the lens, at first drag the lens downwards and then slowly remove the lens, otherwise your eyes may get hurt. My lenses are customized, and if you also have high powered glasses, the power of your spectacles and the power of your lenses may not be the same. Because while I was buying the lenses, the shopkeeper at first wanted to know the power of my spectacles, and then he calculated something and then he put a different power on my lenses, and the power of my lenses are lower than my spectacles. So till now I am not having any kind of problem seeing with the lenses. At first take some solution in your hand and then put the lens on the solution which you have taken in your hand. Then move the lens 2 to 3 times clockwise and 2 to 3 times anti-clockwise. Then place the lens inside your eyes slowly. After you wear the lens, close your eyes and then move your eyeball right, left, top, bottom, and then your eyeball will automatically catch the lens. There are a few more things you need to remember. Do not rub your eyes after wearing contact lenses. Every time you wear the lenses, you have to change the solution of the container where you keep your lenses. After wearing the lens, if you want to wash your face with water, do not wash your face opening your eyes. Just close your eyes and then wash your face. When the first day I tried to wear contact lenses, the video was not really clear to understand how to wear contact lenses. So I thought of making another video. On the first day, I took 10 minutes to wear a single contact lens, and today I took 2 minutes to wear both the contact lenses. So for me it's easier and it's much comfortable now.